Thank you, madam, for your nice guidance. In future, it will be definitely help us. Thank you again. We are in this series since from 12th August. The basic things of the topics like fundamental data types and so on are all covered, I think. Now we all are proceeding this program to valedictory function. Thank you all participants. I would like to invite the student of mathematics from IIT Kharagpur, Miss Anjali Beniwal, to share his views. Anjali, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Anjali Beniwal, a participant of this workshop. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I want to thank all the teachers and organizers for such a wonderful workshop. Because there are just too many sources and so much extra information about Python that we can get lost in it. And also, as aptly mentioned by the teachers here, that to learn Python, we do not have to read it but type and practice it. And as I followed along the lectures, it seemed easy to learn Python. The interactive sessions also helped in clearing my doubts. My questions were easy and stupid, but questions don't seem that those questions don't seem easy at start. And because teachers were so friendly and cooperative, I also didn't shy away from asking the questions. Now I can fairly say that I'm familiar with the new programming language, Python. I learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anjali. Now I would like to invite Dr. Kailas Borse sir from Bitco College, Nashik. Sir, please.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Am I audio visible to you?
Yes, it is audible, sir.
Audible. Is visible, please?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. I am here, Dr. K.S. Borse, to share my views on lecture series on Python conducted so far by Department of Mathematics from KTHM College, Nashik. Especially, this is a very special as a participant because I have attended many MOOCs courses. So this is a very special as in the sense, this course I have learned from hybrid type of research person. I would like to mention as ex-colleague Professor Anjali Kamale Shinde Madam, Dr. D.P. Patil sir, youngsters and emerging professors like Vaibhavi Dhokrat, Sharad Udle, Dipali Kaklis, student type resources from ICT platform like Manas Gajre, Dhruv Kumar Bhausar, Shweta Madam. I observed their ability to interact with audience and sustain their interest throughout the lecture series was mind-blowing. Overall, in my opinion, the specific utilization of infrastructure and human resource shall be understood from head of the department, Dr. Subhash Pawar. So I request to all, with prior permission of chair of today's session, please unmute yourself and make a crowd of clapping to give him as an appreciation. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, I must realize the principal of this college, Dr. V.V. Gaikwad sir, for having opportunity to this new type, new era of Python. So many thanks for great lecture series KTHM College has arranged. Thanks KTHM College, thanks.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I am requesting Mr. Ugle sir to hand over the next part of this session. Please, Ugle sir.
Thank you, Kakis madam. Very good afternoon to all. And we are in the last of this national level work series. That is Python and its some application in mathematics, which is arranged by KTHM College Nasik. So behind the success of this program, we can say there are so many people, and it's my duty or responsibility to say thank you very much to all this person. So I will call one by one. Thank you very much, Honorable Nilimatai Pawar Madam, Sir Chitnis, Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. Madam always give motivation, support to us to arrange such a program. So thank you very much, Madam. Also, I would like to say thank you very much, Management Committee, MVP Samaj Nasik. Also, I will call thank you very much to Honorable Principal Dr. V.V. Gaikwad Sir, KTHM College Nasik. Sir always believe on us, gives motivation and opportunity to do such a programs. So thank you very much, Dr. Gaikwad Sir. Then I will say thank you very much to all the resource persons that they are giving time to us and share their knowledge with our students and participants. So I will say thank you very much, Mr. Manas Gazre sir, who gives 3 lectures to us. First is on introduction to Python fundamental data types, then string operation, operators, and also discuss about the loops. Then I will say thank you very much to Mrs. Anjali Shinde madam, then Mr. Dhruva Kumar Bhausar sir, Ms. Srimati Sweta Ramesh, then Dipali Kaklis madam, and Vaibhavi Dokrat madam. So thank you very much all the resource persons. Then I will say thank you very much to Mr. Nalavde sir, Department of Environmental Science, who looks all the works comes under the STRIDE scheme. So thank you, Nalavde sir. Very important, I can say thank you very much to Mr. Chetan Shirore sir, who gives technical support for doing this lecture series. So this is very important. So I will say again, thank you very much, Chetan sir. Then I will say thank you very much to our HOD sir, Dr. Subhash Pawar, Department of Mathematics, KTHM College, Nasik. He believe on us and he gives opportunity to discuss some our knowledge with you, and he gives motivation to do such a program. So thank you, sir. Then I will say program is successful when we say if the participants are giving good response to us and number of participants will be good. And here in this lecture series, we are getting good support from all the participants. So I can say thank you very much to all the participants. Those are joining this lecture and those are registration for this lecture series. And that is again, I can say thank you to all the participants, students, and Python learner, we can say. And lastly, I can say thank you very much to all my colleague, Madam Shinde madam, then we can say Dr. DP Patil sir, then Wabre madam, then we can say Derle madam. Thank you very much to Rajnor sir, Binner sir, and all remaining those are directly or indirectly related to this program. So thank you very much to all, and I will declare here this program or this lecture series is over here. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.